with You Made That, and today I'm making a magnet for my planner. This is what we're going to make. I use a grade book to record my YouTube videos, and when I'm ready to write down another one, I want to just flip to that page. I use a little bookmark, and this is a magnetic one, and I'm going to show you how I made it. And I have a trick for making this all nice and glossy and shiny. I don't have a laminator, so this is a hack for that, in case you don't either. We're going to use Hubman and Chubgirl stickers. I bought some of these and I have an unboxing video. I cut the sheets apart to share with my daughters-in-law because I just couldn't keep them to myself. They're just too cute. So I need to get more. But they're so cute that I didn't want to just stick them on my planner and be done with them. So I thought I'm going to make some longer lasting bookmarks, and then I can use up some of the cute little stickers. I might make some just magnets and put on the refrigerator or something. I don't know. They're just adorable. We're going to use some of these today. And here's what I've got. Let's see. I've got my Stampin' Up! Scoreboard. And I have a piece of 110-pound white cardstock. It's from Nina. And it is 1 3/4 by 3 1/2. That's what size this is. Whoops, this is too. And so now I'm going to use my scoreboard to score it. And I don't want to just have one score. I want to kind of put two of them close to each other so that there's a little room in case I want to bookmark several pages. I'm going to, let me lower this. I'm going to score at 1 3/4. Can you see that? Okay. And then I'm just going to kind of move it over a little bit to the right and just score again. So this way I have a wider fold. Don't need that anymore. Okay. Sorry, I got a scratch. I don't know. I was running around. Okay, so now I'm just folding and I've got a nice score there. Next, I've cut some paper. I'm using Doodlebug paper. This is called Pumpkin Spice because I thought that the sheets and the colors and everything went well with these. I cut some Doodlebug paper to be 1 1/2 by 1 1/2, and I'm going to use the little coffee ones because I'm going to use this one and the cinnamon roll stickers. So we're going to use coffee themed. And these are super cute. These are what I used this side on the inside where I put the magnets. So we're going to start on the inside because that's the harder part. These are going to be the outside and this is going to be the inside. So the magnets that I got from Amazon, super strong 100 neo something rare earth magnets, and they are super strong. I got a bunch. To take them off, you want to slide them and put them very far away from each other. For one of them, I'm going to put it down kind of in the middle, and this is going to be the piece of paper that's going to hold it in place. Now I did punch a hole in the middle so that the magnets can actually touch, so there's no paper in between. I used this hole punch, and you can see that it's a lot smaller than this is a regular hole punch. I don't know what this is. I've had it forever, but it's going to be that size of a hole. So I'm just going to guess and put the hole about right in the middle. It's a little off, but it won't matter. I'm going to put that guy in the middle, and I'm going to be generous with my Nuvo Deluxe liquid adhesive. This is really strong glue. We want a strong glue. I'm just going to put this on so that the little hole is on the magnet. And when it is, and it's fairly straight, I'm just going to press because I want to work the paper around the magnet. Because it's going to have to be a little like a dome. I don't want any edges coming up. All right, that one's done. Now for the second one, we're going to put this. He's wanting to stick that way, so that's what we're going to want to do. And then I have a pencil here. Whoops, I forgot. Put the paper on first and then put the magnet on. He's about right there. So I draw a circle around. This is the back side. Now I know where to punch. And put it back. Oh, I gotta make sure my coffee cups are the right way. Put this on and be generous with my glue. Then I'll fold this down, grab it, it's sticking. It was sticking. I was a little too forceful. Let's try that again. There we go. I just want to separate. And now we can press all around. The liquid glue gives you a little bit of wiggle room. That's always nice. All right. Now for that satisfying little click. Yeah, I like that. Okay, we got some strong magnets there. Now I wanted a little bit of background, but nothing too bold, just something kind of subtle and cute. So that's what this is. This is going to be the front. Just eyeballing it, centering it there, making sure, okay, good. Not that anyone's really going to see the back, and I could put those cute little leaves on the back, but I'm just going to keep it consistent and use this pattern. Okay, now for the fun part. I want my little cinnamon roll here, and my little purple cup of yumminess here. If you didn't want the white outlines for these stickers, you could trim around them with your scissors, but I kind of like it. They kind of pop. Yay! Okay, now for the laminating hack. I use strapping tape for laminators. I should just buy a laminator, but no, because this works and it's fun. Open it up, rip off generous size. I'm just going to line it up. And as I work my way toward the fold, I'm going to fold it because I want the strapping tape to give just like the paper is. I have some Fiskars non-stick scissors. I got these at Walmart like a while ago. and they work really well as far as not getting stuck with all the sticky gunk. My planner is Tula XII actually, and it has grown. I've bought more inserts to help me organize and plan. Now I'm just using a Sharpie to kind of, burnish the edges. You could use whatever, fingernail even. And you can see the orange gets oranger as you burnish it down. Helps protect everything. Now here is one that I did with some Stampin' Up! DSP paper. And I put Mod Podge in the inside to kind of keep this down and protect that, but also did the strapping tape there too. So I'll probably will put some Mod Podge in the inside, not over the batteries, but around it, just to kind of keep these down. They're not going to get beat up too much, but just to give them a little stability. Now, when I open up my planner insert, I have got a cute little magnet, just like that. Thank you very much for watching. I'll put links in the description. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.